University of Cincinnati's law school has a new name now, and it's all thanks to a record-breaking donation from one Cincinnati family.
Yeah, following a $43.2 million gift from the Kleekamp family, the law school will now be known as the Donald P. Kleekamp College of Law. WLWT News 5's Lindsay Stone here in the studio. More on the announcement and what the funds are going to be used for within that college, Lindsay.
Yeah, good evening, guys. So while there's no sign outside just yet, the College of Law has officially changed its name. It bears the name of a very well-known and trailblazing Cincinnati attorney, Donald P. Kleekamp.
The University of Cincinnati College of Law is entering a new chapter, now officially renamed the Donald P. Kleekamp College of Law.
Donald P. Kleekamp is a founding member of KMK, which is Keating, Muthing, and Kleekamp. He has been named Cincinnatian of the Year. He has been a philanthropist of a very high level.
Kleekamp is a former Cincinnati attorney, philanthropist, and longtime supporter of legal education.
We're talking about someone who was a very committed lawyer, practiced law at the highest level of competence and ethics that there is that anybody possibly could.
The change comes after a $43.2 million gift from the Kleekamp family, the largest in the college's nearly 200-year history.
We are able to do so much as a result of this incredibly generous gift.
The gift will be pledged over time to create scholarships, expand experiential learning, help students prepare for the bar exam, and elevate the school's corporate law center.
Now we're going to have the opportunity to really invest the kind of resources to make it a nationally prominent corporate law center. And in fact, one of the leading corporate centers in the country is our ambition.
The new name takes effect immediately, marking a major milestone for the university and its law school.
Our enrollments have more than doubled. What we find is that with this kind of transformational gift, we can really rethink legal education from the ground up and make the kind of transformational investments that we had the ambition to do and weren't able to do without this kind of investment.
And I did speak with several law students who say they found out about the name change on social media. Not all were thrilled about the name change, but they told me they are excited for the opportunities and the programs that donation will bring to the College of Law. Lindsay Stone at WLWT News 5.
All right, Lindsay, thank you so